Hello all, and my name is Saurabh Parab, and this is my task number six, given to me by the Sparks Foundation as a beta business analytics intern. And in this task, we are going to create a decision tree classifier, and we are going to visualize it. So let's start. Let's start by importing the libraries, that is NumPy and Pandas. We are going to be working on the Irish data set. So I've imported the data set, and I've given the header as 0. I've given the delimiter as a comma, and I've set the index column as 0. So which means this ID column will be our index column. We don't need an extra column for that. So let's dig into the data set. I've used the info function to see the data types and the null values. Again, I've checked the null values separately also by using the isNull.sum function. And I've seen that there are no missing values. So let's uh, move ahead and convert the categorical variables into numerical values, and I've used the label encoder to convert all the values into numerical ones. After that, we have defined the independent variables, that is x and y, separately. And further ahead, I've scaled the values. Scale the values are that we perform scaling to reduce the impact of the larger values. So yes, I've scaled the x to x independent variables. Then I have performed the test and train split. I've split the data into 70/30 partition size, and I've split the data into the train and test split. 70% of the data I've passed into the training, and the remaining 30 for testing purposes. Next, we are going to implement the decision tree model. This is the code. I've given the decision tree name, and I've used the Guinea index as the criteria. Fit the decision tree model on my training data, and I've predicted the model by using the model on the test data. Then I've used the evaluation metrics as such as the confusion matrix, accuracy score, and the classification report. So this is the confusion matrix. This is the classification matrix. As you can see, the recall values are pretty nice, and also the accuracy is 93, which is pretty good. So this was the model evaluation, and after that, I've plotted the tree. I'm using the tree export graphics function. So what you do is you give a name to a text file. It creates a text file of your decision tree. Okay. So I've executed this code already. So what you do is it creates the text file into your working directory. So let me go to my working directory. And I've given the name TSF. So this is the text document. What you need to do is that you need to copy all the code in the text file. Then you have to go to graphics.com. Here you have to paste the code from that notepad file. Do it. Yes. You can generate the graph, and this is your decision tree. If you want to, visualize it. So that was all for this task, and I'll be uploading this code on my GitHub profile and the video on both LinkedIn and YouTube. So that's about it. Thank you.